Alexa here from the blog theduvallhomestead.com, and today I'm going to share with you a new ebook that I had the pleasure of contributing to, and you can download it now for free. This ebook is called The Beginner's Guide to Homestead Living, only it is the Summer 2021 edition, which is a garden edition. You may have heard me talk about the Homestead Living ebook on here before, and that's because I have written a few of them with several other people, and the idea is just to get people together who have homesteaded in any way, whether it be with animals, gardening, food, and to collaborate and create a book that someone can pick up and just enjoy on their porch, or really get a lot of useful information out of it for their homestead or their garden, cooking, whatever. For this edition, we decided to theme it to specifically gardening because it's summer and a lot of people are either starting a garden for the first time or trying to grow their garden, maintain it, etc. I don't know about you, but I feel like gardening is something that's never really done, and you're never really someone who knows everything about gardening. It's always something that you are learning, and it's a process. At least for me, I learn one thing one year and then try it out the next year, and so this is a really exciting book for me to go through because there's a lot in here that I don't know either. So this is a free download on the Duvall Homestead website, so in order to go get it, just go to theduvallhomestead.com. I will leave a link directly below as well, and you can click on the free ebooks tab and you'll see this ebook along with other free ebooks, by the way, if you want more. So what is in this ebook? This is the Homestead Living Summer 2021 edition, specifically for gardening. Topics include attracting pollinators, composting for beginners, natural insect spray, troubleshooting the vegetable garden, propagation, raised garden beds, seed tips, trellis tips, designing a pollinator garden, small-scale gardening, food preservation, kale flour pasta recipe. You might recognize that one, that is from my website. Pickled onions, and a pickle recipe. So everything from seed to harvesting to enjoying your garden, eating it, to making it beautiful, to attracting pollinators but not attracting bugs. So there is just something for everybody in this ebook, which is why it is so great. Also, if you are a homesteader who has something to share and you want to be featured in the next Homestead Living ebook, because we are doing these every season now, you can email homesteadlivingbook@gmail.com or reach out to me directly. You can also reach out to Tara from She's Rooted Home, and you can be in the next ebook. We are always looking for people to contribute what they have learned homesteading, because the idea is to share knowledge and allow people who are maybe living in the city or maybe just got a bunch of land and don't know what to do with it to learn and collaborate together to create their homestead. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this ebook. If you are planning on getting it or you already got it, drop a comment below and tag a friend who you think would like it too. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duvall Homestead.